Hello, it's Neil from jinslu.com. Today I want to show everybody a Mig gun 15 AK. Okay, let's take a look at what's inside. And this is 15. So maybe it's a light style. Okay. Look. It's very, I think, when you use it, okay. I think this is accessory. This is 15 AK for Mig gun. Okay, you see the shape, and you take this. We'll use our accessory to open that. Accessory to open that. Okay. Yeah, this is our Mig gun, and we also sell consumables for Mig gun. Okay, you can search the website below the video, and you can find a lot of product. And you can, if you want to buy, and just send email to us, and we can give you a recently discount. Okay, for you. And this is the adapter. Center adapter. We have different adapter, and you can send a request to us, and you can customize this adapter. Okay. So thanks for watching.